And for I Dreamt I Could Fly in 50 by 50 cm by Anna Dittmann, the special beads chosen for this painting is lightning diamonds. So we're showing you where you can place the lightning diamonds, particularly in those highlights, the lightest areas on the canvas surrounding her skin. We can see the beads shining, so simply sprinkle it in those areas. And then there are some areas that you will actually be outlining. We're about to see some of the curves that you will follow for the lightning diamonds, just to give it a nice extra touch right there. It's like a feather on her head, so simply follow those lines together with those waves going down from the nape of her neck. So those are some of the highlights that you could put emphasis on for your lightning diamonds.